Ilini ay kadyan, ngalan kawanan, segeng kalintegan, ini ay naipuskan.
Today's IRMP signing is the first of its kind in Mountain Province. It is as much welcome development not only for us but also for generations of Itatian to come. As it is acknowledged and affirms the inherent right of the indigenous peoples of Tadjan to manage their ancestral domains and resources as well as their right to self-determination.
Hopefully, with the implementations of these laws at mantinulong daw po nga, karakaroon ay medyo pabibitin sa punto di opisina, but we are doing our that we can, and of course not only for the recognitions only of the Batangan system but also of the other system ay mabalin i-recognize ako.
The Indigenous Resource Management Plan of Tadjan is not simply a planning document. It is the first ever sustainable, traditional, and indigenous forest resource management systems and practices to be operationalized with resource utilization, grounded in DNR and CIP Joint Administrative Order number 208-01. This plan recognizes the rights of indigenous cultural communities and indigenous peoples to manage, protect, and benefit from their ancestral forests using traditional systems with full respect and technical support from DNR and CIP and our local government units.